We need to go to stock picks, Roy. So let's go with yours. Premier, and those were nice, good-looking numbers.
Yeah, Premier is solid. I think when you look at right now, they're a one-trick pony effectively because they're mainly in bread, but they're the lowest cost producer in bread, but have a higher margin than their bigger competitors. They're developing a new bakery inland, which should give them a very good foothold here. And that's a management team that knows what it's about. They kept their costs down. Their earnings are growing in those double digits, like percent per take. And sooner or later, they'll be ready to make some good, sizable acquisition. I don't think it's expensive yet. It has rallied since it listed. But this is that you buy and you hold and keep delivering.
And just at that point, your mic seems to have died, Roy, but that's fine. We get it, Premier Group, and I hadn't realized that it doubled in the last little bit. Shane, are you going with Pepco?
So Pepco is a company that was originally part of the Steinhoff Group. Pepco owned 5,000 stores in Central and Eastern Europe. They are very similar to the Pep stores in South Africa. They predominantly operate in Poland, and they operate under the Pepco brand. But they also own a business called Poundland and a business called Deals. Oh. They sold the Poundland business today. It's about 800 stores, largely in the UK, and that was loss-making. So the Pepco business itself makes about 450 million euros a year, and Poundland was losing 25 million euros. So they kind of managed to cut off that diseased limb today. They also have about 500 stores, a company called Deals, and they're either converting those stores to Pepco's or they're going to shut those, and they'll focus on the core Pepco business. It looks extremely cheap. Management are executing quite well. They did recent results and they showed that the core operation sales were growing kind of around 9%. The gross margin was in the high 40s. And Morgan Stanley put out a note and they said, their opinion, over the next 2 years, the share price could double.
Okay, and in a nice twist of irony, Poundland was sold for £1, which kind of fits to a degree. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guests, Mutooni from Sanlam Investments, going with Premier Group, Shane Watkins from All Weather Capital, going with Pepco. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.